Hey guys, you know who it is. It's Uprout Tech. We got another knife unboxing from Amazon. This is where I get all my knives from. Let's get this open. Let's see what's inside. Hey guys, we got this open. Here we go. Another knife from this brand. Let's get this open. I hate that. Here goes the brand, guys. I hate when the phone doesn't autofocus. Made in China. Oh, comes with a cleaning cloth. Oh, it's a little meat cleaver. I like it. It looks awesome. I got it in blue. I got a nice weight to it. I like the build quality. It was only 17 bucks, bro. 17 bucks for this knife. Highly recommend it. Thing looks awesome. Just aesthetics alone. Love it.